Now, Pakistan's top court has allowed military courts to pronounce verdicts of civilians still in custody for the alleged involvement in last year's 9th of May riots. A 7-judge bench resumed hearing in the case on Friday that involves the trial of over 100 civilians for their alleged role in attacks on the army installations after Imran Khan's arrest last year. The directives allow the military courts to pronounce verdicts, including those already acquitted, in trials that have been pending for over a year. However, in case the Supreme Court also upholds its 23rd of October 2023 ruling in its final verdict, the acquitted people can legally be tried by an anti-terror court or any other relevant court, since the military trial and also its verdict will be null and void. In a widely praised ruling last year, Pakistan's top court had ruled that trying the accused civilians in military courts had violated the constitution. At the time, the 5-judge bench said that the accused will not be tried in military courts but in criminal courts of competent jurisdiction established under the ordinary or special law of the land. And to give us more updates on the story, we are joined by our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik, who is joining us live in this broadcast. Anas, what is the latest on the story?
Well, the Pakistani Supreme Court has indeed allowed the military courts to pass verdicts on the cases that have been finished with the trial phase, and these are about 85 cases that were pending subject to the ruling of the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court has given a conditional go-ahead, saying that those whose verdict would have been reserved, but their punishment would have been presumably been pending to the judgment of the Supreme Court itself. If it were less than a year worth, then they should be released, and the others, those who would have been found guilty or not, they should be subsequently either be sent to the jail, a civilian jail, or be set free. Now, this is a conditional judgment, but this essentially means that more hardships for the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and its workers who've been under this sway of crackdown following the arrest of Imran Khan last year on the 9th of May 2023, after which about 102 people were actually arrested and are currently being tried under the military laws and under the military code, to which the court has now partially allowed the military courts to announce this very judgment. Saleh?
Indeed. Thank you very much indeed, Anas Malik, for joining us and getting us all those details then. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.